It's a new year, and you know what that means. New iPhone 6s, 7 rumors abound. It's not official whether Apple will keep the same naming scheme as in the past, but if history tells us anything, they will, and the new phone will keep the existing form factor of the iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus, just with upgraded hardware and possibly a little thinner design. On the following pages we have compiled all of the breaking news, leaks, and rumors to keep you occupied until the release date. The latest breaking news about the new iPhone 6s is that it will get a sapphire glass display. Apple already uses sapphire glass in the Apple Watch and on the lenses of the iPhone's camera. The new glass is more durable than the existing Gorilla Glass, which is why Apple wants to be able to make the whole display out of it. Sapphire glass has previously not been using for such a large piece of glass. Traditionally it was usually used on high-end watch faces. So Apple is going to have to make their own facility if they want a piece of sapphire glass that big. They initially tried to build a facility in Arizona that would be run by GT Advanced Technologies, but that company is now bankrupt. So now it is rumored that Foxconn, a longtime Apple supplier, is preparing to build its own sapphire glass factory somewhere in Taiwan for a reported $2.6 billion. With the expected demand volume to fall in the 200 million iPhone displays per year, it will be well worth the investment for Foxconn in the long run. According to reports from Economic Daily News, Apple partner TPK is developing digital 3D display technology that you wouldn't have to wear 3D glasses to experience. This would be a major game changer and would change the digital device experience as we know it. Imagine the movie and gaming experience in 3D in the palm of your hand. We expected Apple to roll this out in the iPhone 6, but instead they introduced it with the Apple Watch. This removes the need to use a cable to charge your phone. A much-needed feature, as the dreaded lightning cable seems to stop working every few months, requiring you to have extras on hand or not be able to charge your phone. Instead you just need to lay your phone on a charging pad which will be able to use the back of the phone as a conductor and charge the battery. Apple now has exclusive rights to liquid metal technology, a type of metal that's more durable than aluminum, so Apple would be able to use less metal in the chassis of the iPhone to achieve the same level of strength. This saves weight and interior space for hardware components. While this technology has been used in products before, some high-end golf clubs, baseball bats, it has yet to make it into a phone. The metal itself is a mixture of copper, titanium, aluminum and nickel. Without getting too technical, because of the way the metal is made, it has a very high durability and resilience to damage. Basically, instead of becoming bent under stress, it likes to spring back to shape. With Apple's exclusive rights to the technology, any other company must go through them for the material. So basically Apple can stop other companies from possessing the metal in their phones, while Apple's new iPhone will probably become the only phone with a new magic, super strong metal. Smart move. Details about the new A9 processor are slowly coming out. The new chip is rumored to be manufactured using a 14nm design versus the A8's 20nm design. Another interesting development is that Samsung is trying to become Apple's sole supplier of the new chip instead of the current manufacturer, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company TSMC. In order to win the order, Samsung has reportedly put in much lower pricing bids for making the new chips in order to steal the order. As of yet, a decision hasn't been made by Apple on which company it will go with. We will keep you updated on any further specs that get leaked. Rumor has it that the new camera will be the biggest jump in camera technology in the history of the iPhone. A source has notified us that the new camera will have a two-lens system which would greatly improve image quality to a level comparable to a DSLR camera. To be able to hold that kinda of image capturing capability in your hand would be a game changer.